Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your lost characters if you've changed the server in Diablo Immortal and now you can't find the one that you've been playing on. So in order to do this, we'll need to be in the start menu. From here select the server. Right here, it's for me it's HardReset.Summit, but for you it could be something else. Now click on my heroes and you'll be able to see all of your characters that you've made and on what servers they are. For example, here you can see that 4 of them are on HardReset Summit and one is in Trained Consortium. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.